Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create the Automated Device Enrollment Service token within Jamf Now using Apple Business. It's important to note that this integration requires an Apple Business or Apple School Manager account. If you don't have one yet, you could sign up for one at business.apple.com or school.apple.com. While the sign-up process is brief, it typically takes Apple 5 to 10 business days to review your application, so be sure to have the account ready before moving on. After logging into Jamf Now, click Auto Enrollment, and then click Get Started. Next, let's select our Apple deployment program. For this example, I'm using Apple Business. If you use Apple School Manager, check out the link in the resources for linking an external device management service and Apple School Manager. After making the selection, click Next. Download the token public key and click Next. Click the link to open your chosen deployment program and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, click Devices along the top, and then click Management Services. If this is your first time setting up a device management service, click Get Started. Otherwise, scroll to the bottom of the list and click Add next to Add Device Management Service. Let's give the service a unique name so it's easy to identify what it's for. Next, we have the option to select whether or not to allow this service to release devices. For now, I'm leaving this unselected, but be sure to click Learn More if you have questions about whether or not this is a good option for your environment. Click Upload Certificate and select the public key that we previously downloaded from Jamf Now. Once uploaded, click Next. Click Download Service Token. Once the service token has downloaded, go back to Jamf Now. With those steps completed on this page, click Next on the bottom right. Click Browse and choose the service token we just downloaded. Next, we have the option to customize the setup experience for devices that are enrolled with Automated Device Enrollment. We can configure these settings later, so for now I'm going to click Skip, and that's it! We've completed the setup of Automated Device Enrollment. Remember, this token expires every year. So before you leave, make note of the renewal date. Thanks for watching.